Good morning, sir. I'm sorry, I called miss because I'm late. May I can join you in the classroom? Sure, fine. Thank you, miss. You're welcome. Excuse me, miss. What are you thinking about assessment?
That's on the material. You can find the book on 2020 until 2024.
I understand about your problem. You can use the book to get compare about material.
Right, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, this is the
I would like to register as a student.
please fill in the form. Have you prepared the document?
Yes, miss. I have to.
Okay. Now let's take pressing your registration card.
What are you doing, Mr.
I'm finishing up our presentation. What do you think of orthopedic?
In my opinion, the font size is too small and the paper color is too dark.
I agree with you. Thank you for your opinion.
You're welcome.
Hello, Habiba. Yes, miss. What can I do for you?
Could you please bring this book and my laptop, Cheryl?
Sure, miss. I'll bring it now. Okay?
Thank you, Fatima.
You're welcome, miss. Good morning, miss.
Good morning.
Please sit down. How's your class?
Okay.
Our English debate event.
When and where is
The debate event will be held at the University of the Peru on Wednesday, June of 25 at 9 a.m.
you try?
Thank you for doing us this class. Highly appreciate it.
Thank you for the invitation, Fatima. See you at the event.
Good Good morning, miss. May I help you?
I would like to book a room at your hotel.
Family. For what date and how many nights?
For July 5 until 7, 2 nights.
How many people, miss?
2 people.
What types of room would you like, miss?
A deluxe room with a king size bed.
I will check the availability of the room you request. I have checked, miss. Your room request is available. The deluxe room with a king size bed is 200 per night. Totally is 400 for tonight. They include breakfast, access to the swimming pool, and free Wi-Fi.
Alright, I will take it.
May I have your name for the reservation, miss?
Of course, it's under the name Sartika.
Thank you, Miss Sabrina. Your reservation has been recorded. The room will be ready July of 5. Is there anything else we can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss Sabrina. Have a pleasant day.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you Miss Sartika?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Miss Tika, can we start the interview?
Yeah, of course.
First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm the manager of this hotel. That I want a position.
Yes, ma'am. I have read about the position on your website and I think I am suitable for you.
Can you tell me about your education and work experience in the hospitality industry?
I graduated from the Tourist Academy with a degree in hotel management and worked at sea hotel as a receptionist for the 3 years.
Oh, how was your experience handling hotel guests?
I always strive to provide friendly and professional service.
Can you give me an example of this complaint?
Sure, there was I just complaining about noise from the room. I immediately and overall I created letters in my place and
Alright, now, do you have any question for me?
no man. I have a good understanding of the requirements. I hope to get the opportunity to work with you.
Certainly, Miss Tika. It was nice meeting you. We will contact you within a week regarding the job.
Nice meeting you. Thank you for listening.